Look at Renoir's The Umbrellas. Nothing in this painting actually moves, and yet the whole scene feels alive. This lesson is about movement, how artists create the feeling of motion inside a still image. In this painting, Renoir does not show dramatic action. Instead, he creates movement through rhythm, repetition, direction, and expectation. So today, we will learn how to see motion in a painting that is completely still. Start with the umbrellas. They overlap, tilt, and repeat across the top of the painting. Your eye moves from one curved shape to the next, almost like following waves. This rhythm makes the crowd feel active, even before we look closely at the people. Now look at the figures below. No one stands like a statue. Bodies turn, lean, pause, and shift direction. The man on the left seems to enter the scene. The woman in the front feels as if she has just stopped. The whole street feels like a passing moment. Now notice the child with the hoop. That hoop is important. It is small, but it carries the strongest idea of movement. A circle suggests rolling, turning, and continuation. Renoir uses it to make the lower part of the painting feel animated. The movement also comes from contrast. Some figures are still, others seem to be passing by. This creates the feeling of a real street, where everyone has their own direction. The painting feels alive because not everyone moves in the same way. So the lesson is this: movement in a painting is not only shown through action, it is created through rhythm, repetition, direction, and expectation. When you look at a painting, ask, what feels like it just happened? What feels like it will happen next? In The Umbrellas, Renoir does not paint one fixed moment. He paints a moment in motion.